Fam, apparently Nosipho's husband, Swala's new wife, Misokuhle, is with a child. According to Sanele Nkosi's post, congratulations to Misokuhle Nzangasi, who's now pregnant and expecting her first child with her husband, Swala Nzangasi, who's excited for his 8th born. Misokuhle and Zola officially wedded in June 2025 despite his first wife Nosipho's objection. You'll remember Misokuhle and Zola's affair was exposed in a viral video where he was seen very anxious and angry and not speaking nicely to his family, leaving his then wife Nosipho and kids to be with Misokuhle. I'm saying then wife because Nosipho, whenever she refers to him, she always says her then husband. So maybe they're no longer together, And I hope to God this man doesn't wake up one day and leave her to be with another Misokuhle. Ooh, that would be something. Anyway, people reacting to these left comments like, avoiding teenage pregnancy just to become a stepmother of 7 is crazy. You guys are brave, Sham. Women, never had a child, gets married to be a stepmother of 7 and then add another child on top of that. And apparently Nosipho wanted to have the 8th child for this man. And this man said he doesn't want more kids. But now here he is with Misokuhle allegedly pregnant. Man, let's continue this in the comment section, fam. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, please. Okay, thank you. And remember to like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
Yeah.